$5 hair bundle. Hey guys, today I'll be getting my hair done. This is the Brazilian natural virgin human hair, unprocessed hair, with a 4x4, handmade closure. This is what I'll be doing. So I think I have my 12 inches. Is it 12? Yeah, 12, 14, and 16. And it has this antivirus, special process for virus, stuff like that. Whatever they said this is. And then color 1B and burgundy. I've always been doing some kind of brown and black combined. So I've been doing this. But guess what? The most surprising part, I got it from a beauty store. The most surprising part is I never bought like the whole human virgin hair for $45, the whole bundle plus closure. I'm like, is this real? So I can't wait to put it on and see. No matter what, it's still better than those ones that are blended. But these are all virgin hair. Look at. Can't wait to see what it looks like. I'm hoping my style is, it's okay with me making a video of, how I got my hair done. I've got some messages to show how I, get my sewing. It's a sewing. I washed my hair yesterday, so I'm gonna loosen it up and then go get it done in an hour. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Please click the subscribe button if you haven't at this point. Alright guys, and I wanted to show you guys the beautiful work my stylist is doing. Now, because of that, what do you call the thing? The hair. I'm yet to see if it's actually real. So you guys stay tuned. And then I'll speed up. We'll just do one and then I'll speed it up. And then we'll start the sewing process where you guys are more interested in seeing. Then I'll just keep the camera and I'll speed up the video. So if you haven't subscribed by this time, please do. And please ask your questions as usual. Ask your comments. I never take credit because the ones I do for myself, I say it. The ones I don't do, I say it. Alright guys, at least you see, you get a feel of how it looks. You guys, this is a different style. Her braiding is so neat. Isn't that one of the most beautiful braiding you've ever seen? Now, because of summer, I wish I would just go about my day like this. I love the artwork. Simple and pretty. Just imagine that hair, you guys. Is this real or is it not real? Stay tuned. I mean, I know it's real if it's directly from another country. Yep, it's still the same $45 I showed you people.
important. So I know you guys had a lot of questions about the lace. I'm about to find out if it's really HD. So the closure is what you're interested in seeing. Alright, you'll see. Hopefully this video is gonna help you. If it helps you, let me know. If you don't, if it doesn't, oh well. It's not a full review, it's not a review. It's not a paid sponsored video. That's the word. I'm just doing it to help you guys out. Some of you have a lot of questions. So you can see how that part goes. Is that like edge control mixed with water?
No. Just sprays.
Holding spray? I love how you walk smart. Instead of just holding all day, what do you call it? And I'm learning a lot too. I didn't get that, okay. So you guys were trying to see where to place it, because of course there's a difference between $100 hair plus. Sorry there, let me show them what it looks like. So the lace is what it is.
Where you want it? You want it up here?
Oh no, do it the way you want. I was just trying to show everyone what the lace looks like.
I need you to hold.
Okay, both of them, right?
Tight.
Okay. Do you install frontals, wigs? Matches my outfit, my dress. Look at that, looking like my hair. You guys, this is the first time I'm making I'm sewing enclosure without the glue, and I love it. Do you know, I just recently knew what that is. I just recently knew what hair wax, no, not hair wax, hair wax stick. I just knew what that is recently. I just know they use it, but I don't know what it was for. It's not burning, it's really human hair.
Look real, huh?
I'm surprised.
That's about the lace part.
I don't even want to say anything and jinx it. $45. And you did the magic. like the feeling. I don't even feel like I have any hair on me. Oh god, this is real. I mean, I know it's real, but this is not blended. So we went ahead and trimmed it. Trim it if you want. It's very okay to trim if you like.
Don't move.
What's that one? What's that one? Hairspray. I'm used to the big ones.
The big black spray?
Yeah. This one looks very nice. It smells okay. See how nice this is from here. Oh my goodness. You guys, it's real. It's real. Okay, I'll come and go. So I'm back home and I decided to show you guys what it actually looks like. She had trimmed it like I said, and that's the length, which is perfect because I have a baby that I'm carrying. Or I have a baby, 8-month-old baby. I feel so different. The hair is a little thin though, but you know, then it's straight. Maybe when I coil it later, it will look different. And another thing is I do wish she had put because she wanted to put it to the front a little bit and glue it down, and she was like, you know what, you have edges, I'll just put it to the side. If not, you know, that would have been nice if she put it to the front. I kind of wish it was all the way to the front. That's it. I wish it was to the front, but then I'll see how long this will last without glue. That's another thing. Hopefully I would have taken it out before I post this video. Taken it down before I post this video. But so it's a cheap hair review, cheap hair to buy. My face feels a little big. It's really thin. And my lips, my lips have been so dry from the video, but you know, hopefully as time goes on my face will loosen up, but I feel so different. Either ways, I'm always home and all that stuff, so I'll take it the way it is. I'm mostly home, so thank you so much for watching. Sorry if it's a long video. So I decided to see it's so much better here, but it's actually not because of that. But that is what it looks like from afar, because I realized I've been too close to the camera. So yeah. All right, bye.